Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Cozy app review in order to see if the app is worth your time. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the Cozy app, the Cozy app is a useful travel tool for comparing accommodation from various platforms in one place. You can filter by price, type, and access millions of listings from over 100 booking sites. However, some users have reported issues with accuracy, listings that show low price but link to listings that are unavailable or have hidden differences, and mixed review around booking reliability and customer support. So in my opinion, Cozy is worth using if you like if you like broad comparative look at accommodation options and value convenience when planning travel. So if you want guaranteed booking reliability or are very picky about fine details, you might also use it alongside more direct booking site. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.